Today we're diving into something absolutely insane. Something that doesn't just redefine luxury motorhomes, but completely dominates the expedition category. Welcome back to the channel. If you love seeing the most extreme, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Today, we are standing in front of something that completely redefines the meaning of luxury travel. This is not just a motorhome. This is an ultra-luxury Cadillac Escalade-inspired hypermansion motorhome. A gigantic 8x8 expedition land yacht, built with royal presence, massive proportions, and the bold, commanding design language inspired by the legendary Cadillac Escalade. Finished in deep royal black high-gloss metallic paint, with mirror-like reflections, this machine looks less like an RV, and more like a rolling presidential palace. Let's begin from the front fascia, because that is where the dominance starts. The massive chrome mesh grille immediately commands attention, echoing the bold Escalade DNA, but scaled up to hypermansion proportions. The oversized illuminated emblem sits proudly at the center, flanked by ultra-slim vertical LED matrix headlights. The daytime running lights slice downward in a sharp futuristic pattern, giving it that unmistakable luxury SUV identity, but transformed into something colossal. The sculpted hood features strong character lines, and the armored front bumper integrates chrome accents and aggressive air intakes, creating a perfect blend of elegance and authority. Move on to the next portion of this, and focus on the side profile, because this is where the true scale becomes unreal. The ultra-long and ultra-wide body proportions, stretched like a luxury limousine fused with a heavy-duty expedition truck. The 8x8 configuration, with triple rear axles, gives it a planted, unstoppable stance. Massive multi-spoke forged chrome wheels, wrapped in premium heavy-duty tires, support the weight of this rolling mansion. The panoramic tinted window strip runs across the entire length, creating a sleek, uninterrupted glass design that contrasts beautifully against the royal black mirror finish paint. Under showroom lighting, the paint reflects like polished obsidian, capturing every ceiling light and marble floor reflection perfectly. Move on to the rear design, and you will notice a full-width LED light bar glowing in deep red, paired with vertical tail lamps inspired by Cadillac's signature lighting language. The sculpted rear fascia integrates chrome detailing and subtle diffuser styling. Even from behind, it looks like a royal escort vehicle designed for heads of state. Roof-mounted satellite domes, climate control units, and communication systems are seamlessly integrated, without disturbing the clean silhouette. Now, let's move inside this masterpiece. As the automatic entry steps deploy with soft LED illumination, you're welcomed into a world that feels more like a penthouse suite than a motor coach. The interior theme is inspired by the Escalade's premium philosophy, but elevated to hyper-luxury standards. Black Napa leather dominates the space, featuring diamond stitching and embossed crest detailing on the headrests. Glossy piano black panels and brushed aluminum trims add depth and contrast. Ambient LED lighting flows across the ceiling and floor edges, reflecting softly against the dark surfaces, creating a calm yet powerful atmosphere. Move on to the main lounge area. This is where the hypermansion truly lives up to its name. Reclining executive captain chairs offer heating, ventilation, and full-body massage functions. A massive ultra-wide 8K entertainment display spans across one wall, paired with a premium surround sound system, engineered for theater-like acoustics. There is a built-in champagne bar, with crystal holders, soft-closed storage compartments, and electronically controlled privacy glass partitions. Large panoramic windows with motorized blinds ensure both openness and security for VVIP passengers. Before we move further, if you love seeing ultra-luxury motorhomes and hyper expedition land yachts like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications, because Prime Drive Reviews is bringing you the most extreme luxury builds of 2026. Move on to the master bedroom suite. The king-size bed features a leather-wrapped headboard embossed with Escalade-inspired branding. Soft halo ambient lighting glows behind the bed panel, giving it a 5-star presidential suite vibe. Mirrored wardrobe panels, glossy cabinetry, integrated smart lighting systems, and plush carpeting elevate the experience. Even when parked in the wild, this bedroom feels like it belongs inside a luxury skyscraper penthouse. Move on to the kitchen section, and you'll find a fully equipped, ultra-modern culinary space. Black marble countertops with silver veining complement the royal black exterior theme. Integrated induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator with glass display, built-in premium coffee machine, and concealed storage units make this kitchen both elegant and practical. Soft under-cabinet LED lighting enhances the high-gloss cabinetry, while brushed metal handles maintain the Escalade-inspired premium feel. Now move toward the driver cockpit, because this is not just a driving seat, it's a command center. The massive dashboard integrates multiple ultra-wide digital displays, offering navigation, security surveillance feeds, off-road data, and vehicle diagnostics. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features chrome detailing and illuminated branding. The captain's chair offers memory settings, heating, cooling, and massage. Camera-based mirror systems provide a 360-degree digital view, ensuring safety despite the vehicle's enormous proportions. The panoramic windshield provides a commanding road presence that truly makes the driver feel in control of a land yacht. Let's talk about performance, because a machine this size demands serious power. Under the hood sits a heavy-duty twin-turbo diesel V8 engine, tuned for extreme torque. The 8x8 drivetrain system ensures that all 8 wheels deliver traction across desert terrain, snow, mud, or highways. Reinforced suspension systems and adaptive air ride technology maintain a smooth ride regardless of terrain. Despite its size, advanced stabilization systems reduce body roll, making long-distance travel surprisingly comfortable. Now move to the security aspect, and this is where it becomes presidential level. This hypermansion is fully bulletproof, engineered for VIP and presidential travel. The body panels are reinforced with ballistic-grade armor. The windows use multi-layer armored glass capable of resisting high-caliber impacts. The underbody is blast-protected. Run-flat tire technology ensures continued mobility even after damage. Integrated surveillance cameras and communication systems allow constant monitoring of surroundings. This is not just luxury, it is mobile fortress-level security wrapped in royal black elegance. In terms of benefits, this motorhome offers complete independence. You have luxury accommodation, full kitchen, master suite, advanced security, off-road capability, and long-range fuel capacity all in one vehicle. It eliminates the need for hotels during diplomatic tours, business roadshows, or elite expeditions. Privacy, safety, comfort, and prestige all merge into one moving mansion. Now, let's talk about expected pricing. For a base ultra-luxury armored variant, pricing could start around 2.5 to